Welcome back to Cruiser Nation. Still haven't hit a car show, so we're still working on the Astro van. As you can see, as we've talked about, very plain Jane van. AM radio, manual locks. Already changed out this door handle. But now, we're going to change out this door handle. As you can see, it's broke. Fortunately for you all, so it doesn't take up much time, unfortunately for me, this panel's already gone. It's supposed to be like this one, but it's not. It's gone. Which means I'll have to custom make one, probably wrap it in vinyl, if I get the words out. But we're going to take that sucker in there out. Let's get at this. Be right back with you. Okay, here we go. As you can see, 4 bolts. Well, you can't really see, but there's 4. 2 on the bottom, 2 on top. This one got a... Why am I showing you here when I can show you on the new one? But really simple, 10 millimeter socket. We'll just need an extension. We're even going to use this set of tools here that we won last year as a door prize. I did go get an extension, and we will use this 10 millimeter. You can see it's still got that gunk on it from when I did the mirrors on this fan. But hey, makes it easier to hold on to. Okay, old one here that we got out. Like I said, 4 bolts, 4 nuts on studs. My vernacular isn't right, but you know what I mean. You can see there's a piece broken here. This piece right here is broken on the old one, and hence it wouldn't open anymore. Now, these clips here on your old door, reach in there, take a flat screwdriver, push up on this, and the rods will pop right out once it's pushed up about yay far. I just used a flat screwdriver. They probably make a tool for this, but hey, if I had all these tools, I'd be a better mechanic. And if you had all these tools, you'd know how to do this yourself. So that's that. Let me get it bolted back in, and we'll go from there. You don't have to fight it like I did. And I'm using natural light here, so this may be in the dark. It goes in like this, because you're going to pull the handle out. Take this, slide it in, goes in there, and boom, just drops right in. One more time, just so we all know. We're going to take this, the long piece, slide it in there, drop it in, and then studs through the holes. Okay, one more time. You might want to fast forward through this if you got the first 2. 1, 2, 3 first. It'll stop right in. There it is. We'll get the nuts on the back, and I will try to get in there and video how to put the clips back in. Okay. All right, look. Flashlight helps. That clip right there will just slide in right there. Now, let's see if I can do this. I may have to blank out a few cuss words. If you don't know any cuss words, boom, and it's in. Just like that. If you don't know any cuss words, working on one of these old vans, you'll probably invent some. That one goes in there, and done. It's all in there. Let's see if it latches now. Put that back there. This one. Don't park on the incline or your doors will close on you. And boom. One more time. Let's shut it tight. And boom. And there we have it. While I'm here, this stupid thing keeps coming loose. I'm going to get a whatever size Torx that is and tighten it up. I may put some Loctite on it because I tighten it up, drove down the road, and it's loose again. So, but I hope this helps somebody. It's helped me. Nice new handle. Oh, crap handle. Now, after the brakes today and an oil change and a few other things, we're going to try to work on the stereo next. Oh, and that, by the way, is a GPS, sitting on the dash is a GPS speedometer. God, I'm shaking. I probably need to eat. And it's pretty accurate. We've tried it against the phone, tried it against both our phones. It works. Look, I painted the door panel. Don't ask why. Just because I could. It had a screw gone, and I put a screw or two in it. So I pulled it, had a dent, so I pulled out, knocked most of the dent out of it, put it back in. These panels here will probably get replaced with paneling, wood paneling, covered in vinyl. This will get blue carpet on a hard backing. And then, like I said before, we'll do a headliner in it. I still haven't figured out what to do about that nasty dash. Looking for a conversion band being parted out to get some different seats out of. We need at least a third captain's chair or a bench across there that we can take in and out. Anyway, we've got this done now. I'm so happy about this. I was tired of reaching in the door and having to work it by hand. Hopefully this will last a little while. Just don't know yet. But it's there. Oh, we take the plastic off of it, so it's official. I hope this helps somebody, like I said before. And keep following. Car shows start pretty soon. We'll be out there videotaping them. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you have a mind to. It's a free country for now. You can do that if you want to or not. But if you did, we would much appreciate it. And at some point, we will be offering some Cruiser Nation merchandise. Why not? Everyone else does. So, hunt for us out to local car shows around eastern Kentucky, southern Ohio, West Virginia, and further out into Indiana and so forth and so on. Maybe Tennessee this year. We don't know yet. Hopefully, we'll see you out there. Until then, have a great day. Keep on keeping on, and don't let anything get you down. These are all just old cars. They're easy enough to work on. Have a great day.